Hi dear students, all of you take your mathematics textbook, copy and a pencil, page number 18, exercise 1.3 up to question number 10 we have completed, and here all the questions we completed and two homework I given. I hope you all done that because that was easy, and today let us learn about ordering of numbers. Students, can anyone say how to order numbers? Actually, we are ordering numbers either ascending and descending order. What is ascending order? What is ascending order? We learned before about ascending order. Ascending order means numbers are said to be in ascending order when they are arranged from the smallest to the largest number. Smallest to the largest number. मतलब छोटा से बड़ा. Understood? Ascending order means least to greatest or smallest to the largest, or we can say chota se bada. Understood? Okay, students. In the same way, descending order also there. Descending order means just opposite. Means greatest to the least, or largest number to the smallest number, or bada se chota. Understood? Okay, let us take. Okay, let's start. Okay, students, ordering of numbers. Ordering of numbers. Okay, student, let us take three numbers: 1189 and first number, second number 1989, and third one 1298. Okay, student, all the digit in the you can see this is 4 digits numbers. What is the digits? Digits are the part of a number. Okay, 4 digits number. Here you can see all the digits in the thousandth place are 1. See, 1. Okay, these are the thousandth place. Okay, so we cannot order like this. So we move to the next place value. Means what is the next place value here? See, say together. What is the next place value? Hundreds place. Here round 100. These are the hundreds place. These are the hundreds place. Okay, these are the hundreds place. Okay, students, we know that the digit in the hundreds place are all different. See, here it is 1 is there, and next one 9 is there, and 2 is there. Okay, students. Okay, now we can start to order these numbers. Okay, we can start to order this number like ascending order. Okay, students. Okay, can anyone say which number is smallest number? Say which number is smallest number. Okay, here it is 1 is there, so this number is smallest number. This number is the smallest number. So we will order the number that has smallest digit in the hundreds place first. Okay, which number is there? 1189. This number is first. What is ascending order? Ascending order means chota se bada. Understood? Smallest to the largest number. We are ordering like a smallest to the largest number. For that we are calling as ascending order. Understood? Okay. First we have taken this number because we are ordering these numbers from least to greatest, or chota se bada, or smallest to the largest number, like ascending order. So we have to take this number. This number is the smallest number. Understood? So we will write this number in the first space. Okay, next one. You can see the numbers in the hundreds place. This one is 9 is there, or here it is 2 is there. So which one is small? Okay, very good. This number is the smallest number here. So next space we can give to this number 1298, and last one 1989. So here we can give a sign also, like 1189 is less than 1298 is less than 1989. Understood? Okay students, this is like ascending order we arranged. Ascending order means chota se bada. Understood? Smallest to the largest number. Okay, next example. Okay students, let us take one more example. Example number 2. Okay students, first number is 1586, and second one 1298, and the last one 1396. Here also you can see all the digits in the thousands place are 1. All the digits in the thousands place are 1. So let us move to the next place value. Okay, what is next place value? Here it is hundreds. First place thousands, and after that 100. Hundreds place value. Here it is 5 is there. This is hundreds place value. Hundreds place value, and next one. These are the hundreds place. So you can see which one is smallest. We are arranging like we are ordering like smallest to the largest. So we need smallest number. So which one is smallest? It is 5 is there, and 2 is there, and 3 is there. Okay, very good. This number is the smallest number. This number is the smallest number. So we will write this number in the first space. Okay. First space 1298. Okay, next number, which is the next number? So here it is 5 is there, or here it is 3 is there. Which number is smallest? This number is smallest. Very good. 1396. Last one 1586. Let us write like this. 1298 is less than 1396 is less than 1586. Okay. Okay students, 2 homework I give you 2 homeworks. Okay students, these 2 are the homework. Please do this homework in your fair copy. Understood? These 2. Okay, let us wind up today's class. Okay dear students, be happy, stay home, stay safe.